In this program, you'll learn how to clean a hotel guest room and bathroom efficiently and completely. You'll see the hundreds of steps and tasks you need to do in every room, every time. Remember, it's the little things that count. There are no shortcuts to quality guest room cleaning. Effective strategies will help you clean the guest room and bathroom quickly while maintaining a high level of quality and attention to detail. Generally, work in a circular fashion around the room, which will ensure you clean all areas and complete all cleaning tasks. Also, clean top to bottom, dusting and cleaning windows, walls, and mirrors, then horizontal surfaces and beds, and finishing with the floors.